Hi guys, in this lesson we'll learn how to play a D chord or a D major chord, so make sure guitar is properly tuned. And if you don't know how to tune a guitar, you can check the I button. I have made a video on that, so let's get started. To play a D chord, basically we are going to use the last 4 strings and not the 5th and the 6th strings, only these 4 strings. Well, we are going to use our pinky finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret here, and our middle finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret here, and our ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret here, and our index finger on the 3rd string on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and hit only the 4 strings, not the 5th string, just 4 strings. And it is one of the most beautiful chords, so without learning this chord you won't be able to play much songs, so you have to learn this chord. It might look complex, but let me tell you the trick. What we are going to do, as the shape seems pretty complex, so what we'll do basically, how we'll practice is just place your finger like this and shake it off, again place your finger like this, shake it off, again place your finger like, because afterwards you have to play and you have to sing also, right? So you need to memorize it. And so shake it off, place your fingers, shake it off, again place your fingers. So that's how you will practice, and over time, as you practice on daily basis, you will be able to play this chord, and it's one of the most beautiful chord. So as you can see, so just play the 4 strings, and that's how you play a D chord.